Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to share something very useful with you. Many people ask me the same question again and again. They ask, how can I practice English at home? Some people believe it is very difficult. They think they need a teacher or a partner to practice. But that is not true. You can practice English easily at home. You don't need a partner. You don't need to go outside. You can learn and improve your English in your own room. My name is Daniel, and today I will show you some simple and helpful ways to practice English at home. These methods are easy and anyone can follow them, so please listen carefully until the end. Learning English at home is not hard. You only need two things: time and interest. If you practice a little every day, you will improve faster than you think. Let's start with some easy methods. Remember something important. Small practice every day is better than a big practice once a week. When English becomes part of your daily life, learning becomes natural and enjoyable. The first method is self-talk. This means talking to yourself in English. It may sound strange at first, but it is very helpful. You can say simple sentences about what you are doing. For example, say, I am cooking. I am cleaning my room. I am drinking tea. I am watching a movie. These small sentences train your brain to think in English. In the beginning, you may feel shy or funny, but it really works. If you practice this every day, your confidence will grow. Slowly, you will begin to speak faster and more naturally. The second method is listening practice. Listening is very important when learning a language. Try to listen to English every day. You can listen to YouTube videos, English podcasts, audiobooks, or even songs. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely normal. Just keep listening. Your ears will slowly get used to English sounds and rhythm. Day by day, your understanding will improve. You can also repeat some sentences after the speaker to practice pronunciation. Try listening to different accents, like American, British, or Indian English. This will help you understand how English sounds in different parts of the world. The third method is reading. Reading in English helps you learn new words and understand how sentences are formed. Try to read something in English every day. It can be a short story, a simple article, a social media post, or even a message on your phone. When possible, read aloud. Reading aloud helps improve your speaking as well. Your mouth and tongue become familiar with English sounds. Reading also gives you new ideas and expressions that you can later use while speaking or writing. The fourth method is writing practice. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Try writing a few simple sentences every day. For example, write about your day. You can write something like, Today, I woke up early. I went for a walk. I studied English for 30 minutes. This kind of practice helps you remember vocabulary and create correct sentences. You can also keep a small English diary. Write your feelings, your daily activities, or your future plans. Over time, you will see your writing skills improve. The fifth method is watching and repeating. Watch short English videos or short conversations. After listening, try to repeat what you hear. Copy the way the speaker talks. Pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. You can pause the video and repeat sentence by sentence. This exercise helps your speaking become more natural. It also improves your pronunciation and listening ability at the same time. There is also one important thing you must always remember. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Everyone makes mistakes while learning a new language. Each mistake teaches you something new. If you are afraid of mistakes, you will stop practicing. But if you accept mistakes, you will continue improving. So be brave and keep practicing. Another useful idea is to create a daily routine. Set aside about 30 minutes every day for English practice. For example, you can spend 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, and 10 minutes speaking or writing. This small routine can make a big difference if you do it consistently. You can also try to use English during your daily activities. Think in English when you are cooking, walking, or traveling. Describe things around you in English. This helps your brain stay connected with the language throughout the day. Learning English is similar to planting a small tree. You must water the tree every day so it can grow strong. If you take care of it regularly, it will grow slowly but surely. Your English will grow the same way. At first, you may not notice big changes, but after a few weeks or months of practice, you will see clear improvement. So start today. Practice English at home. Speak, listen, read, and write every day. Little by little, your English will become better and stronger. Now you know some easy ways to practice English at home. You don't need a classroom, or a teacher all the time. With focus, patience, and daily practice, you can improve your English by yourself. Remember, practice is the key to success. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep improving your English every day. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please give the video a like and share it with your friends who want to learn English. See you again in the next video.